In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import an image into Draw.io from your device. If you're brand new to Draw.io, also known as Diagrams.net, it's a free browser-based tool for creating flowcharts, diagrams, and visuals. Importing an image is a great way to start a diagram from a sketch, annotate a screenshot, or add a logo to your layout. I'll walk you through the process and share a few tips so everything goes smoothly. First, open your web browser and go to the Draw.io website. When the app loads, you may be asked where you want to store files. If you see that prompt, choose the option that best fits your workflow. Selecting device or browser keeps your work local. You can start with a blank diagram or an empty canvas. Either is fine for importing an image. The main thing is to get to the editor workspace, where you can see the canvas in the center and the menus across the top. Next, go to the top left corner, click File, hover over Import From, and select Device. This tells Draw.io you want to pull a file from your computer. Your file picker will open. Browse to the image you want to use. Common formats like PNG and JPG work well, and SVGs are supported too if you need vector graphics. If you don't see your file, double-check the folder and make sure the file type filter isn't hiding it. Once you've selected the right image, click Open. Draw.io will place the image directly onto your canvas. That's it. The import is complete. From here, click and drag the image to position it exactly where you want. Use the corner handles to resize while keeping the proportions consistent. If the image feels too large or too small, zoom controls at the bottom of the screen can help you adjust your view while you arrange things. Need to refine the look? With the image selected, the Format panel on the right lets you tweak options like opacity, shadow, and border. You can also right-click to access Arrange options, such as bringing the image to the front or sending it behind other shapes, which is handy when layering diagrams over screenshots. If you're building a complex layout, consider locking the image once it's in place to avoid accidental moves, then unlock it later if you need edits. When you're happy with the result, remember to save your work using File and your preferred save option, or export your diagram as a PNG, SVG, or PDF for sharing. And that's how you import an image from your device into Draw.io quickly and confidently.